couchwasabis. This is Jirbie from Couchwasabi. So for today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my latest US haul. So these are the stuff that I got from the United States that has landed here recently. And if you want to know what's inside this bag, please keep watching. So here are the things that I recently purchased from the US. I hardly buy makeup anymore because I feel like I have too much makeup already and I only have one face. So hindi na ako bumibili ng makeup. Before, I used to buy a lot of makeup from the States. But now, what seems to be taking my budget when I go all out US hauling is either for my pets or for my crafting needs. So with this batch, I'm gonna say batch kasi next week meron pa akong parating na mga hinord ko pa from the US. And sometimes, well, usually I don't really remember kung ano na yung mga pinagbibili ko. And, you know, I always get surprised kung ano yung mga makakarating dito. Because sometimes I just cart them out and then buy and then come what may. And the way I bring them here is either through my friends who fly back and forth or my relatives. Or, kung walang pwedeng magdala, because there are things na hindi pwede sa shipping cart, I use shipping cart. These are the ones that came via shipping cart, I think. That came via shipping cart. So next week, I do have some which will be hand-carried by friends. So we'll see if I will make a let's see if I will make a video for that. Okay, so for this, it's quite a lot. I don't remember how much these cost me. Pero isa-isahin natin, okay? So first off, I have this Cricut essential tool set. I got this on sale. Actually, when I buy stuff from the United States, most probably because they're on sale. Kapag naka-regular price siya, I don't really buy them. Wait. Marami pala akong binili dito regular price. But usually, I get them while they're on sale. So this one, I got for only $25. I think that's really cheap na. Although, I do have another set of this that came with my Black Friday purchase last year. Like the entire Cricut set with everything bundle na hindi ko pa nagagalaw hanggang ngayon. It's already June. But, I plan to use it really soon kasi nabili ko na yung bag for my Cricut. I didn't want to touch it kasi wala pa akong permanent spot for the machine. So, I didn't want to bring it out knowing that I'd have to move it again. I'm not even decided kung sa office ko siya ilalagay or sa bahay, I mean the new house. So, hindi ko pa siya talaga binubuksan. I didn't wanna, ayun, I just want it to be brand new. Parang kung nilagay ko siya doon, nandun na siya. But since I discovered like a Cricut Explore Air 2 na carry bag, wherein I can put the machine and everything, the accessories in it, I figured maybe I can use it and then just carry it, kunyari kung ililipat ko na siya sa house. So this one, I got this as my backup tools because I know, I'm not sure if I have this already, but I wanted this also. For the rest, alam ko meron na ako niyan. Nakita ko na to dun sa everything bundle ko. I just wanna have it because wala, gusto ko lang ng spare. Or if I need to leave some here and then leave some in my house, I really don't know. I just bought it because it's on sale anyways. It's just $25. And then this one, I got it from Amazon. I buy a lot of things on Amazon. I buy all my ebooks at Amazon. I buy all my cat stuff from Amazon kasi dito kulang ng selection. So I really like shopping on Amazon. I hope there's Amazon Philippines soon. So this is my We Are Memory Keepers punch board. And this is really like useful kasi if you want to create your own envelopes. So meron na siyang mga guide like lines and kung saan mo siya ilalagay, ipopwesto. So when you press it, when you punch it, ang ending niya, it forms from your regular sheet of paper into a envelope. Galing, no? Tapos meron na siya yung mga indentation guides. And then, yeah, everything is there. So I'm excited to use this because I plan to create a lot of crafts soon. I wanna have videos about crafts also. So I'm very excited for that. And I'm buying all the tools that I need for that. This one also I got from Amazon. It's called Tag Punch because I need this for my Caticorn gift set labeling stuff, right? Also the envelope, kaya ako siya binili. These are not so cheap. I can't remember the price, but you can check it on Amazon. But I feel that it's sulit kasi walang ganyan dito. So, you know. Anyway, this one is from your regular paper. You can just punch it para maging decorated, shaped tag siya. So, I find it cool. The instructions are at the back. It's pretty easy to use. I'm excited to use that, especially kapag dating ng December, where all my bespoke boxes are ordered. Yan. And then, ito po. So, hoarder lang. I also got this Punch Bunch. It's another brand. Sometimes when I shop kasi, and I find na meron dalawang magkalapit yung price, I'm usually undecisive. So, I just buy them all and see which one is better. Anyway, I'll use both of them para magkaiba naman yung design. So, usually ganon. I just buy them all kasi wala lang, trip lang. Ayan, so this is the other one. And then, iba rin yung designs niya. Ayan, I can use this as your tags or punch. I will also start like making wax sealing soon. So, meron na akong mga wax sealing na supplies. But, I just don't want to use wax sealing with the candle. So, maybe I'll buy those glue gun thingy pa soon. So, soon, expect a lot of crafting videos here on my channel. Okay? And then, this is the one, like, these are the things that I'm most excited about. Kasi, ito yung inantay ko pa for this batch. So, I got this. We Are Memory Keepers Foil Quill. This is so cool. This is like an attachment for your Cricut, a silhouette, brother, or Sizzix. So, this set is really, really cool. Kasi with this set, you can actually use your cutting machine, like mine is Cricut, right? Your cutting machine into a gold foiling machine. So cool. I can't wait to demo this to you as soon as I've settled with my machine, kung na-setup ko na siya. Kasi hindi ko pa siya nasa-setup. Although, I tried making a DIY thing already a couple of weeks ago. Kasi as soon as I set it up, I have a DIY video in mind that I want to make and I want to share with you. So, nagawa ko na yung design nun. Ready to go na siya. Basta pag na-setup ko na yung machine. So, this one is another attachment that I'm very, 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 very excited about for my Cricut machine. Also, this set, We Are Memory Keepers Foil Quill, is compatible with your silhouette, with your brother, with your Sizzix, any other cutting machines that you may have na hindi Cricut. And, yan yung mga sample niya. So, it can make yung mga foil stamping, metallic foil stamping like that. Yan, it can make all those metallic foil stamping. And with that, hindi ko rin napansin kasi na meron na siyang sample foils inside. No? I just got the set. Na out of stock kasi siya when I wanted to buy this. So, I waited maybe a week pa before they had to... I messaged them because I told them that I really want to buy it and it's just that my relative is visiting, so blah blah blah. So, sabi nila, they will restock within a week. Tapos, yan, nag-restock sila, binili ko agad, tapos na-deliver. And then, meron pala siyang 12 pieces na foils. Hindi ko na kasi napansin. So, I got this because I wanted... Meron naman siyang singles. But of course, if you want to have more value, you got the kit. So, I got the kit. I forgot how much these are, but I know it's not that expensive. And it's very useful. I'm so excited to demo this. This will let me create more sophisticated designs for my caticorn and all that, you know. Anyway, so I also got extra foil sheets. Cute, oh. So pretty. Okay, so this one is for, parang if I wanted something rose gold, I can use this. And then a lot of pinks, because you know, caticorn uses a lot of pinks. Dapat pala bumili din ako ng blue. Kasi blue, purple, and pink ang national color ng caticorn. But anyway, I got gold and rose gold. And I got pink. And then inside, I know there's silver and gold. Not sure if meron pang iba. Because I haven't really opened this. I didn't want to open it until I'm about to use it. Kasi ayoko baka may mawalang parts and all that. So, I'm gonna open them when I plan to use them na. And finally, this may be my only pet-related item in this batch. Kasi lahat yun talaga for crafting. I got this Highland Farm Select pet grooming tool. This is actually my third pet grooming tool na. I have had Sleekies, I have had yung bigger size nito. Binili ko yung Sleekies and yung Farmland, yung isa pang ganito, before, I think last year. And just to see kung ano yung mas okay, kung ano yung mas gusto ng cats ko. Kasi when I checked the review, hindi rin naman lahat ng cat gusto to. So, other cats find it very, very irritating. I felt like sila Tuti, my cats, like ito. Kasi yung Sleekies, medyo iba yung itsura niya. So, ito is like a, yan, parang brush na pangkuto. It's very, very fine. Tapos, you just brush it sa pet mo. Tatanggalin niya yung mga undercoat or yung mga loose na hair. And then, you can collect them and just throw it away. So, para iniiwasan mo yung mga loose hair flying around in the air. So, here's Coco. Hi, Coco! Okay. So, let me try. Yan, the supply on you. Okay. So, here's how you do it. You just brush them normally. Ganyan lang. So, it's like a gentle massage also. And every time you do, yan o. Tada! Nakikita yung mga loose hair. Yan, hindi siya masyado nagre-react. Ibig sabihin, komportable siya. Okay, thank you, Coco! So, here's it. Ayan. So, ito yung itsura niya. Nasa stuck dun sa brush yung mga loose hair. And then, you can just throw it away instead of these things flying sa air. Ayan. Ayan. So, it's important that you brush your pets regularly. You groom them regularly. And I really like using this one. Highland's Farm Select Pet Grooming Tool. I have the bigger one. Yung parang ganitong size niya. Ayan. So, this one, I got the small one kasi marami akong small cats and parang mahirap gamitin yung big one for them. Kay Tuti, okay yung bigger comb. Sa kanya, I think it will also work. But for the small ones, I feel that it's uncomfortable for them. It's painful for them. So, binili ko yung maliit para mas mabilis akong Right, Coco? Come here, Coco. Come on. Come on. Come here. Coco, come here. No, ayaw niya. So, cats would have a mind of their own. Sobrang ako siya. Ayan, I love grooming my cats. Ayan, so kita niyo naman, every swipe ng brush sa katawan niya, may nakukuha talagang mga loose hair. So, just do that, but don't overdo it, baka makalbo sila. So, just do that, maybe 1 or 3 passes in a day. Sometimes, I do this morning and night to them para wala lang yung mga loose hair. And it's very, very effective to groom them. And it also prevents hairball for your cats kasi nga nakaka-capture na niya yung mga loose hair. So, instead of them eating it, etong mga to, yan, natapon mo na siya. Or instead of these flying off in the air, at malanghap nyo pa, natapon mo na siya. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, Coco. And don't forget to share this on your Facebook wall, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Coco!